Hi, my name is Kurt Frazee, and this is my story of how I became deeply involved in environmental work and conservation. I was born on a farm in Iowa and grew up hunting and fishing, and so when I went to Iowa State University, I was a traditional wildlife biology major. But the moments that came in my life where I really had a vision of what I wanted to do there were two long moments. The first one was Earth Day, 1970 at Iowa State, when I was the co-chairman of Earth Day and being mentored by some wonderful people, professors then like Dave Trauger and Jim O'Toole, gave me the insight that the environment was much more than just wildlife. It was the bigger issues of pollution, population growth, kind of the global concerns that we faced environmentally. And so Earth Day was really a changing moment for me. And then right after that, from 1971 to 1973, I joined the Peace Corps and worked for the Costa Rica National Park Service. And that was the second big aha moment over those 2 years, largely based on three things. One was the introduction to tropical forest, tropical biology, the great diversity of life that getting out of the U.S. allowed me to see in Costa Rica and Central America generally. So one was just opening my eyes biologically that way. The second were the two great leaders of the Costa Rican park system that was just developing then, Mario Bosa and Alvaro Ugalde, great leaders. So I could see this idea of big scale conservation, a vision that they had for the Costa Rican park system. And the third was that Costa Rica had these wonderful tropical biologists and scientists that were an inspiration for me to go on to be a scientist and get my PhD in ecology. So those, in a matter of 3 years, really set my course for the future to work globally and in the United States in conservation. And by the way, I'm here at the Harris Neck National Wildlife Refuge in coastal Georgia, a beautiful place.